To access the Shopify App Store, start by logging in to your Shopify account through the admin dashboard. Once logged in, locate the left sidebar in your admin dashboard and click on the Apps menu. From the Apps menu, select Browse App Store to access the marketplace of apps. As of January 2026, the Shopify App Store hosts over 12,000 apps to enhance your store's functionality. Once in the App Store, you'll see a variety of categories like marketing, sales, store design, productivity, and inventory. You can browse these categories or use the search bar to find specific apps. Use filters like price, ratings, and compatibility with your Shopify plan to narrow your search and find relevant apps quickly. To install an app from the Shopify App Store, start by finding the app you're interested in and clicking the Add App button on its page. On the apps page, you'll see an Add App button. Click this button to begin the installation process. After clicking Add App, you'll need to review the permissions the app requests, such as access to customer data, store settings, or orders. Next, you'll be presented with the app's terms of service. Read through them carefully and click to agree. Finally, confirm the installation. Shopify automatically installs the app without requiring any coding knowledge, making it user-friendly for all merchants. All your installed apps can be found in the Apps section of your Shopify admin dashboard. Here, you can enable or disable app features, update apps to the latest versions, manage subscriptions often handled via Shopify payments, and uninstall apps if they are no longer needed. For instance, subscription management can be seen in your Orders page, where apps handle recurring payments for products like chairs with options to pause or cancel. Remember that uninstalling an app may require exporting your data first. Before installing any app, carefully review the permissions it requests. Apps may ask for read and/or write access to different parts of your store's data, including customer information. Understanding these permissions is crucial to avoid potential security risks. Public apps in the Shopify App Store are vetted by Shopify for reliability, offering an extra layer of security compared to custom or private apps. Shopify introduced app bundles in late 2025. These are curated sets of apps designed for specific purposes, such as dropshipping or SEO, at discounted rates. For example, dropshipping bundles include curated apps for product importing from suppliers and automated inventory management. SEO bundles bring together apps for search engine optimization, keyword tracking, and performance monitoring. One key benefit is discounted rates. Instead of buying individual apps, bundles often save you 20 to 30%. Check for available app bundles to quickly set up essential functionalities for your store. Shopify now supports real-time app performance analytics directly in your dashboard. This feature allows you to monitor the impact of each app on key metrics like conversion rates and sales. Use these analytics to optimize your app usage and ensure they are contributing positively to your store's performance. Stores with 10-plus apps see 2.5x higher average order values per Shopify's 2025 merchant report. Keep an eye on emerging trends in the Shopify App Store. The rise of AI-powered apps is significant, with over 40% of new listings in 2025 incorporating generative AI for tasks like automated product descriptions and chatbots. Sustainability-focused apps are also growing, driven by consumer demand for eco-friendly shipping options and carbon tracking tools. Headless commerce solutions have seen 25% year-over-year growth, allowing seamless integrations with platforms like React-based frontends for omni-channel experiences. There's an increasing focus on app security and data privacy. Choose apps that comply with regulations like GDPR and CCPA to protect customer data. As Toby Lutke, Shopify's VP of Product, emphasizes, apps are the lifeblood of customization for Shopify stores, enabling merchants to stay competitive.